What's up YouTube? So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm going to take the Morphe 350 palette and I'm going to be taking that kind of pale tan color and using that as a transition to blend out my shadow in my crease just to get the base started on the brown color. And then I'm going to take this more like reddy, I guess, color. It's not too dark, but it's going to add some warmth and some depth as well. And I'm using the fluffy brush that I usually always use to start all my looks. It's from ABH Cosmetics, and I will add the link to these brushes in my description box. So I just use this to blend out, and it blends so well, just fluffs out everything perfectly for me. Now I'm going to mix like this deeper reddy brown and the darkest brown in the palette color. And I'm just going to basically press those into my lid and then blend it kind of like a windshield wipe and go back and forth. I do want to kind of put more time on the way that I blend my eyeshadow because I want to make sure you guys kind of see how I do it, and this is what works for me when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm no expert at eyeshadow. I still got more practice to go, and so I can have some bomb looks and look all colorful and blended, but this is what works for me for now. But most of the time I really just do like a pushing motion or pressing in if it's a dark color, and then kind of windshield wipe. So like I said, keep pressing it in. I believe this is the darker deep color of the palette, so I'm just really blending it and pushing it into my eye to deepen up the outer part or kind of get it dark as dark as it can. Taking this glitter that I bought in a pack from Amazon, as well as the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to take a flat brush and pat it on my eye, kind of right like under the crease part, and then blend it kind of towards the middle and just gently pat to kind of spread the glue evenly. And then I'm taking the glitter with my normal concealer brush and just patting it in my eye gently, blending back in the glitter glue. And then I'm going to pat that glitter back in so I can get a nice glitter glam look. I'm just giving you guys a forewarning that I'm not going to be putting on liner. I have been so lazy lately when it comes to liquid liner, and I have not been putting on liner. I need to start because I feel like I don't even know how to do liner anymore. Anyways, I'm going to go and dust off the excess glitter. I probably should have put on some setting powder so it'd be easier to take it off. So that's what I normally recommend doing. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Camo corrector in my orange and just correcting in my normal places under my eye. I hit some of my dark random acne scars in my face and then also around my mouth. Now I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix foundation, which I was worried it wouldn't match because I haven't worn this stuff in probably like 4 or 5 months, because every time I've worn it in the past it broke me out, but surprisingly for this one time my skin did not have a reaction. So I might be wearing this again more often because this stuff has such a good full coverage to it, and I was really sad that it broke me out because I was like, dang, it has good coverage, it looks so smooth. So hopefully I'll be able to wear it better more often. I'm of course concealing with my Tarte Shape Tape. This color is Tan Sand, and I'm just kind of focus it under my eye and on my nose. I'm really honestly not worried about my forehead too much. I'm not going to conceal or even contour on my forehead because of these bangs, which I got these bangs because I used to have bangs in high school and I kind of just wanted bangs again. So I figured I'd get a wig instead of cutting my own hair. So I'm taking a lighter, which is medium sand, in the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to press that in under my eye to lighten it up. So like I said, since I'm not doing much to my forehead, I'm going to try to make the bottom half of my face a little bit more dramatic. So that's why I'm putting more concealer. Now I'm taking the PUR Contour Palette. I usually take that top color and just a little bit of the bottom color and mix those two in and just kind of go back and forth and contour. Because I'm not going to liquid contour, that's why I'm taking that deeper one. Normally I would just take the top one. If I was doing a liquid contour or a cream contour as well, I would have only took the top one. And then I'm going to take my Mercier setting powder and just bake under my face or under my eyes and on my nose with it. We know I'm a grease ball, so I gotta bake a lot to make sure my face doesn't melt off. So now I'm gonna take those darker colors, the last two darker colors that I was using earlier, to just blend it under my eye to add depth, and also just kind of balance out my eyes so that I have shadow on the bottom as well. Especially when you have like a darker look, I wanna make sure it's kind of balanced and doesn't look too heavy on the top. And then I'm lining with my NYX retractable liner, which is what I use all the time. It's affordable and it works perfectly fine. The Maybelline, I'm now taking the Maybelline and Shayla Big Colossal Mascara to just to add that dramatic effect to the bottom lash. I love this stuff because it makes your eyelash is dark and like full. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder and just brushing that off, all that baking powder. Does anybody else like cherry vanilla Coke? So I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I usually mix the top two bronzed in summer and give myself like a nice golden but high glow. The summer makes it really pop and gives a lot of the lighter color to it. And then the bronze gives it that like golden glow, which I love on my skin. So I'm taking the Dose of Colors lipstick, and I found this color, which is Chocolate Wasted. This lipstick goes on so smooth, y'all, and it just feels so good. Like, it doesn't feel like kind of dry and make my lips feel cracked. It feels really thin and like good. So I'm probably going to be buying a couple more colors in this because I just love the way it feels on my lips. And then it looks really good too. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just went ahead and put my hair back and added some cute dangly gold earrings. I wanted to give you guys a nice brown look slash, like I said, I've been wanting to do this look for a while. So I just wanted to kind of give you one last fall look because I'm going to be going into holiday looks now because Christmas is my favorite holiday. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next week.